it's Jess, and it's December 14th, so we're opening up the 14th gift of our Advent box. So here we have a little red satin bag, and it says Day 14, Christmas calories don't count. Eat, drink, sew, and be merry. We hope you savor these special snacks while sewing. Jess's favorite chocolate and coffee from another Wisconsin business, Door County Coffee and Tea Company. So there are some fun treats inside that I hope you'll enjoy. Like the card mentions, they're some of my favorites. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So here are some special treats for you. We included a couple Lindt truffles. This is my favorite chocolate, so I hope you'll enjoy snacking on those while sewing or while opening this box. And then also Door County coffee. So you'll get a bag that's good to make one full pot of coffee, and there are a variety of flavors across the Advent boxes. So this particular flavor of coffee is candy cane. So definitely check out the Door County Coffee and Tea Company website. It's another local Wisconsin business. We love supporting local businesses, and so we thought it would be fun to include a treat for you guys. So I hope you enjoy these holiday treats, and I'll see you tomorrow to open up another gift.